place a buy trade. Okay, now I place a buy trade because this candlestick here is a small one, meaning weakness. The sellers push the price to this point, and okay, so I've won the trade. So you can see that at this point it reversed. Okay, welcome back. All right, this is same USD JPY, you know, the one I took a trade previously. I also saw another opportunity, so I decided to take this trade. It came back here, this same support area, so I took a trade at this point again, right area. Okay, so I've won the second trade. All right, so the reason I took this trade was, hello traders, hello would-be traders, how are you today? Trust you are doing great. Welcome to my channel once again. Welcome to Profitable Options. Today I promised that I was going to do a little bit of analysis before I place a trade. It is good to analyze your market before placing the trade. Analyze the candlestick very well. All right, okay, so as an investor, because every trader is an investor, you have to analyze what you want to invest so that you will not be, you know, risking or endangering your hard-earned money. One, you need education. After education, you need to have a strategy, and also you need to be patient to carry out your strategy. All right, so I said previously that I really do not use indicators. The only indicator that I use is the horizontal line, which I use to draw my support and resistance zone. So I pick my trades from support and resistance zones, or support and resistance area. All right, so I use price actions along with support and resistance zones. All right, so that is what I'm going to be doing. I like trading when the market is trending. Like as it is now, this market is on a sideways market. It's not trending up or down. All right, but previously it has been going up, but currently it's going sideways. All right, this market can also be traded, but for me, I really don't like trading this kind of market. I want to trade when it is trending. All right, if it's trending, then I will have a little bit of assurance that it's going to work for me. That's my style. There are some people that trade this kind of sideways market, but for me, I'm not really comfortable trading this kind of market. All right, so let's go to see the other pairs and see what they're doing. Okay, this is on an uptrend. It's on an uptrend. So at this point, you'll be looking for opportunities to buy at this point, because this area is a support area. You can see previously this was a resistance. The price got to this resistance. The sellers pushed the price down. It came back again. Sellers pushed it down. It came back again. The sellers pushed it down, and then it broke out of these seller zones, and this resistance became a support. The price came back to this support area. The buyers reacted a little bit, and then it pushed. The price was pushed to the upside, and it is coming back again. Okay, so for me, I can see that this is a strong area. This is a pin bar. As a result, after this pin bar, the price went up, and then it's coming back. So if the price comes back to this zone, this support area, then we'll place a buy trade depending on the formation on the candlestick pattern here. Okay, so we have to be patient to wait. Let's check another pair. USD JPY is also here. This is another good area. This is another good support area. All right, this support, you see it has been reversing from this point, reversing. So there are possibilities that it's going to reverse at this point, but one needs to be careful because it could actually break out of this. So we have to be careful. We haven't reversed from this place several times. So this support area might not be that strong anymore, because the previous reversal, there have been previous reversals 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th one. So there are possibilities that it's going to break out, but one needs to be very, very careful at this point. However, this is a support zone. All right, so it's a good place to place a trade, but do your analysis very well before placing a trade at this area. Okay, so let's see the other one. Okay, this one, let's leave it. It's not trending up, but this one actually was trending. Okay, it was actually trending down, but now it's on a sideways market. So what we'll do, when this one closes, I can place a buy trade. Okay, now I place a buy trade because this candlestick here is a small one, meaning weakness of the buyers. That is why it is small. The buyers are weak. So there are possibilities as the buyers are going to push the price to the upside. So we are going to wait to see the outcome of this trade. Okay, the buyers are trying to push the price up. The sellers are also getting involved in this trade. This candlestick is inverted pin bar. All right, so let's see. The body is small, signifying weakness of the sellers at this point, at the buyers. Okay, now the buyers are now strong. They are pushing the price to the upside. Like I said, this is a strong area. All right, this body here that is small means in weakness. The sellers push the price to this point, and okay, so I've won the trade. So you can see that at this point it's reversed. Now, why did I place this trade here? Like I said previously, I placed the trade here because of the previous reactions on this zone. Here, the buyers push the price up. The buyers push the price up here. It came back again. The buyers push the price up. It came back again. The buyers push the price up. So you can tell me that it's giving me information that this is a strong area. The buyers here are strong. Therefore, if I place a trade around this area, probably it's going to go to the upside, which I did. And at the end of the day, we had a profit. So I've won my first trade. So I'm going to look for the next one. I said I was going to take only 3 trades. If I win the first 2 trades, I'm not going to trade again. All right. But if I lose the next one, I'm going to place the next trade, which is the 3rd trade. All right. I don't take too much of trades. Taking too much of trades does not mean that you are going to be a profitable Forex trader. No, you look for good opportunities. You look for good area of value to place a trade. And it is to your own disadvantage to place so many trades, because if you place so many trades, the profit you had made previously, you could lose it back to the market. And that is why it is not good to place a lot of trades. Just look for 1 or 2 or 3 good trades in a day. I think that will be enough for you. But for me, if I win the first 2 trades, that is enough for me. I don't continue again. So I've won the first trade. So I'm going to be looking for another opportunity again before I place a trade. Now let's look at other one. Now this trade is going to the upside. This is a resistance. Okay, so I'm going to place my resistance horizontal line here. Okay, so this is the resistance and this is the support. All right, it can reverse at this point or it may break out of this area. All right, but we need to be careful. We have to be patient to see what happens at this area. Since it's on an uptrend, there are possibilities that it's going to break above this and then continue to go up. But of course, in trading, there's nothing that is 100%. It could also come back to this support. It might break out of this resistance or it could come back to this support. Let's just be patient to see what happens. Or the USD, let's see also, it's also on a ranging market. Let me place my horizontal line here. This is head, this is shoulders. Okay, it has broken out of this shoulder, so it might reverse at this point because this is, if you go back, you see that this was a resistance, was a strong resistance, but the buyers push the price above, so it now becomes a support. All right, so there are possibility that the price is going to reverse and continue to go up. But meanwhile, there is a resistance here. So we need to be careful of this resistance as well. Okay, this is a good place to place a trade, but for now, we just have to be patient and see what happens because it might still come down. So let's see the other pair. Okay, So this resistance here, the buyers here are preventing, the sellers here are preventing the buyers from breaking out. So one need to be careful on what to do here. So patience is very, very key. Okay, so at this point, perhaps I'm going to pause this video until I see an opportunity before, and then I'll come back again. But however, I think this is a strong sellers area. We can see here. All right, it reversed at this point. It reversed here. It's reversed here. Okay, so it is possible for this candlestick to also reverse at this point. Okay, so I'll pause this video and then I'll come back to show us when there is a good opportunity to place a trade. Okay, welcome back. All right, this is same USD JPY, you know, the one I took a trade previously. I also saw another opportunity, so I decided to take this trade. It came back here, this same support area, so I took a trade at this point again. All right, but it was a risky thing I did anyway, because I'm not supposed to take a trade because of all these previous reversals. So there are possibilities that this place will now become weak. It cannot sustain the buyers anymore, so it could reverse. But I, however, took this trade because of the strength of this. All right, but let's hope that it's going to continue to go. But I believe that it's going to continue to go up because this is the strong zone or a strong area. Okay, so I've won the second trade. All right, so the reason I took this trade was because, like I said, this is a strong support. This is a strong support. And you can see that I do not have any other indicators here other than this resistance horizontal line and support horizontal lines. Okay, so with these two, really, you can trade binary options and be a consistent, profitable binary options trader. All right, you don't need to have so many indicators on your chart for you to know what to do. Once you know how to analyze the market, you know price actions, you know the support area, you know your resistance area, and you wait for a particular candlestick pattern to form at the support or resistance zone, then you place a trade. Now, this support has become weak, I believe, because the sellers now are trying to break out of this support. All right, so like I said, that I'm not going to take any more trade. I won the first two trades, so the third trade, I'm not going to take it. Suppose I lost the second trade, then I would have taken the third one. But since I won the first and the second trades, I am not going to take any more trades. All right, thank you very much for watching till this time. I hope you found value in today's trading. Now, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe so that subsequently, as I upload more of these videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. All right, also like this video so that YouTube will recommend these videos to others as well. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you next time. Now, before I go, you can see that it has actually broken out of this support zone. All right, but I wouldn't want to take any trade. I have to stick to my plan. I wouldn't want to take any trade. All right, so I'm going to close for today and I'll wait for another day. Thank you very much and have a great day. I'm going to see you next time. Bye-bye.